How to fix you need to format the disk before you can use it problem. So if you want to fix you need to format the disk before you can use it problem with your pen drive or your USB disk, then you just need simply go with this PC. And here, once you inserted your pen drive, you will have a disk named USB disk or something like that. Right. Once you have your disk, now if you try to open that, it won't open because it says you need to format the disk or something like that. So what you need to do to fix that is you need to search for command prompt, search for CMD, right click on that, go with run as administrator, click on yes, and here you need to enter a command. So the command goes like CHKDSK space and then enter the name of the disk. Like for example, if you have the name as H, it may be E, F, something like that. So I'll just simply go with H and then colon, space, forward slash, and F. And now hit the enter. Now the data on your USB drive has been recovered and you can open up your that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.